Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after this hotel quarantine has been implemented, a lot of people have various questions, and of course it makes sense because this is the first time it is going through. We all are going through this unexpected pandemic. Anyway, so now when we are going through it, we need to understand what it is and what we are supposed to do. So I will go through some important questions that everyone is asking, and then we will see what it is. All right. What do I need to book the mandatory 3-day stay at a government authorized accommodation? So this is available already on the other page, so I will not go through that. But yes, second question, how soon can I book my 3-night mandatory stay at GAA, government authorized accommodation? So basically this is really important because a lot of people have started dialing in after knowing long waiting time. So a lot of people have this question that when exactly they should book. So it is answered. Travelers should only call the main booking line to book their stay when they are within 48 hours of arrival to Canada. Bookings beyond that planned arrival window will not be accommodated at this time. So maybe in future when they implement more lines or more agents or even a website to do, maybe then it will help. How do I change my reservation date if my flight is cancelled? Then you need to contact the uh, hotel directly and then follow as per the situation. Now dietary restriction is also important. Like a lot of us, because everyone has different dietary restrictions requirements because of cultural difference and other things. So what they have written, yes, as government authorized accommodation, the facility has been advised that they must be able to meet a wide variety of dietary need. Please work with the hotels once checked in or contact the hotel directly if you need further information. Okay, one very important thing that comes, like if travelers are traveling together, like a couple for example, so can they accommodate themselves inside a single room? Or if friends, siblings, they are traveling together, can they do that? Because if they share the accommodation, the cost is going to be less, and the cost that you are going to pay for this hotel quarantine is not less. So everyone wants to save some money, who doesn't? So that is answered here. Yes, those who have traveled together may share accommodation. Room rate will include base room rate plus an additional fee for each additional person staying in the same room. So here you have some scope of saving money. And yes, if you need more specific information, you can contact the hotel directly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to include this link in the description as well. You can go ahead and check through it. You will get variety of information available. Thanks for watching this, guys.